This is Southpaw 212. Let's do some math. Okay. This is number 3 on your review worksheet. Well, I'm going to use substitution on this one. You can use any method. It says use any method you pick. I'm using substitution. It says y equals. I'm not going to make it any harder than that. I mean, you could graph it or you could use elimination, but I'm going to use substitution on this one. So I'm going to plug in this 3x right in here for the y and rewrite it. So I'll have negative 3x plus 5 times 3x equals 0. Now that I've got it substituted, let's solve it. So negative 3x, 5 times 3, so 15x equals 0. We'll combine our x's together on this side and get 12x. Still equals 0. If we divide by 12, we get 0, so x equals 0. It's okay to get 0. I'm going to plug this in right here in the top equation. So we'll have y equals 3 times 0. Anything times 0 is 0, so y equals 0. Write my coordinate pair. 0, 0. Looks like those cross at the origin. Southwest 212, Duke Kaboom, rocks.